FANUC ROBOSHOT's sensitive CNC pre-injection function provides a reliable solution for air venting over the parting line. Without pre-injection, you risk venting issues, producing bad parts with bubbles or strings. Using FANUC ROBOSHOT's pre-injection function, the injection process already starts before the mold closes completely, so the air can vent over the parting line. Your benefits? No venting issues resulting from high material volumes or fast compression. No burnings, less contamination of venting gap. Longer mold up time, no bad parts. Reduced cycle time thanks to parallel lockup and clamp force reduction. In short, no bubbles, no strings. Just right for sophisticated tasks.